Hello friends, welcome back to our channel TECHIES. My name is Anuj Rana, and today in this video I'm going to tell you that how can you disable that blue tick on WhatsApp. Generally it happens that on WhatsApp when people send you any message, and when you open that chat box, and when you see that message, the other person will receive the blue tick sign, which means you have already read the message. Now if you'd like to disable that feature, how can you do that? It's very interesting. I'm going to tell you in this video. So all you need to do is just watch out this video till end without skipping it. Right? So let's go ahead and find it out. So first thing what I'll do is there is another number. Let me send a message to myself. All right. See, I have received a message. It says hi. Now when I'll see this message, my friend on the other side will automatically get the blue tick mark. Now how can I disable that? Let's go ahead and find it out. Alright, so all you need to do is you need to first come to your main WhatsApp page, and over here you can see the three dots on the top right side corner. You need to tap on that. In this menu box you will see the last option, which is for the settings. You need to tap on this. Now it will take you to the settings option. Over here you need to tap over privacy, the third option. Now over here on this page you will see different options, and you can see there is an option which says read receipts, which means whatever the receipts you have read, that will be marked. Now this button is enabled. It shows green over here. Let me disable it. So once it is disabled, and that's all, that's my job is done. Now whenever any friend or anybody will send me any kind of messages, that person will not be able to see that blue mark. Those blue ticks will be disabled now. You can check it on your phone, and I'm sure you would be able to get the desired results. All right, so that is all for today's videos, guys. If this video was helpful for you, just let us know in the comment box. However, if you need any other assistance for any other social media platform related, if you're facing any kind of technical issues, let us know in the comment box. I'll go and I'll try to make videos on that so that you get the better resolutions. All right. So guys, stay in touch with us. Have a nice day. Goodbye.